If you need to cancel a pending order on Instacart, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your order is successfully cancelled. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open the Instacart app or website. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device or visit the Instacart website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your orders. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Instacart to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select the pending order. Find the pending order you wish to cancel. Click on it to open the order details and review the items included in the order. Step 4. Choose the cancel option. Look for the option to cancel the order. This may be labeled as cancel order or cancel items. Click on this option to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to cancel the order. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your order has been successfully cancelled. Once you have completed these steps, your pending order will be cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Instacart's customer support for further assistance.